Carvane TV, what's up with it? Hey man, before I even get this video going, let's just get this out the way quick and early. Do me one favor right now. Drop down in the comments right now and let me know you rocking with me. 2, hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed. Hit that subscribe button, man. Go on and hit it right now. You still sitting there, just hit it. Hit the subscribe button. 3, also hit the bell for all post notifications. If you're interested in seeing me continuing this build of my 1973 Delta 88 with this LS motor that's crazy, with this Hellcat Supercharger on it that's crazy, man, go on and hit that bell for all post notifications. Show your boy some love. Leave a comment, hit the like. That helps me grow the channel, which helps me do more cool stuff, bruh. Show your boy some love, man. So anyway, let's get into it. Y'all probably already read the description of the video. This video is about my motor. It's showing y'all what's going on with it now, where we're at everything, and posting the progression of what's happening. Some video I wasn't able to get. I posted a video, sorry, I didn't post a video. I made a video of us doing some stuff with the car, but it kind of got corrupted. So it's all good. I'm gonna show you where we at now and everything, and show y'all what's going on, man. Let's get it. Yes, sir. We are mocked up. It's sitting in the car. It's not done, but it is mocked up. So I think I'll take this video, take a chance in this video to kind of go over everything and just show y'all what's going on with it. We got the 4L80 behind there. If y'all seen in my past video, you know that 4L80 is filthy and I need to rebuild it. But this is just a mock-up, so we just want to get it set in the car, kind of show y'all what's going on with it, show you what's happening, show you where we're at. But man, I'm super proud. We got this all mocked up. It took a little time. A couple little complaints, couple little arguments. There's not even a starter on it. I don't have an oil filter on it yet. On this side, there's no oil filter. But we got everything sitting in the car, looking nice. It has to come forward a little bit. We had to drop it back a little bit because of bringing the car back down. So we're just trying to get it kind of mocked up. But now we got it slid back a little bit, but it's okay. Still got the and if you look under here, sorry, let me slow down. If you look under here, we got jack stands holding up the transmission and everything. But I mean, this thing looks nice, man. Super nice. Clamshell, motor mounts. Those things are clean, man. Powder coated, custom powder coated. Looks good, man. It just looks dope. So right now, just kind of go over everything. Got the Hellcat Supercharger lid. This is actually not the original lid off of the Supercharger. This is a lid off of a regular Supercharger. This is actually a red-eye Supercharger. This is a lid off a regular Supercharger. I switched somebody out, sold that lid, so I can get this lid. I'm changing this logo here, so I didn't care what lid I had, so I sold it to my buddy. He gave me his, and I took his. He took mine. I took his Supercharger lid. So we're good there. Got this all set up. Got the FabWorks adapter brackets. Y'all know they a sponsor. Shout out to FabWorks. If you were to build this, I mean, this is custom powder coated, so I can't really talk about how much it costs to build this. I paid a decent amount of money for this Supercharger. But if you want these adapter plates for the LS motor, these are for cathedral port heads. And these, I think he has a sale going on right now with these on his website, and it is under, I think they're right at $1,000. So, I mean, that's something you can look into. I got the Grip Tech pulley. This pulley right here is about $200. Got the hub assembly, the hub that comes from FabWorks as well. If you get close, you can see that logo. This hub is about 200 bucks. So, I mean, this is a pretty, just to get this on the motor can get expensive. This throttle body is coming off of the Supercharger. This is the throttle body comes from Dodge. I'm not gonna run this throttle body. I'm actually gonna run an LS throttle body, a GM throttle body. There's an adapter plate that FabWorks makes that they gave me. I think that's like 50 bucks or 70 bucks, I can't remember. But you can see on their website, and I'll have the 102 millimeter LS throttle body adapted there. This is the boost valve. This kind of controls the boost, how much boost. This is actually a throttle body. I found out for Dodges, this is a four-cylinder throttle body that they actually repurposed for a boost valve. So in order to run this, I'm actually gonna use this one. They do some kind of vacuum made ones that run off vacuum. I don't really like that because if it's running off vacuum, your car can get at a high vacuum and not be going fast, not needing that type of boost. And I've heard that they don't. A lot of times people have issues with them throwing too much boost at the motor because you can't control it. So I actually got a boost controller from Smooth Boost. They're not a sponsor, but I got a boost controller from Smooth Boost to help me control that. And I kind of talked to a couple gentlemen there, kind of went over everything with me as far as how to control it with the LS throttle system. So with the gas pedal basically. This is the original timing cover that came off this engine. We just had it sandblasted and then got it powder coated. My boy Huey, shout out to Huey. Huey did a lot of work on this motor. Shoot, he did a lot. He did the clamshell motor mounts. I'm probably gonna take these back to him, have him do those. These are just some $20 motor mount plates that came from Amazon, I'm sure, Amazon or eBay. These are the adjustable, this black one is the adjustable motor mount that attaches to the engine. You need a little space in between these or else the LS motor will be sitting right on this, I don't know if y'all can see, there's probably not enough light, but it would be sitting right on top of this crossover. It's pretty close now, but it's got about a ½ inch distance, and that's all I need. So we got that. These valve covers, they look good. This is really nice. This valve cover, oil fill, matching the same color as the Supercharger. But these were just some cheap $70 valve covers I got from Amazon. They're taller, so I got more space for the rocker arms. But these are just cheap. Had them powder coated, $70 in those before powder coating. So yeah, this just proves my point. You don't need a lot of money to make a really strong, good engine. I mean, I haven't seen this engine run yet, but I got an idea about what it's gonna do. So this engine can't give y'all everything, but I don't know all the information, but I got a cam installed for Summit. Rocker, I literally went through lifters, rockers, everything. And a lot of my stuff is budget stuff because I got some of that stuff off the shelf at Summit, like that was on the return shelf. So, you know, stuff that I opened and made sure I knew it was gonna work good and stuff like that. So, I mean, it's just a budget build. It's a dope concept for the motor and everything. If you notice how high the motor is, man, it's gonna be right there. We're not sure about the pitch right now because the transmission is actually further down than it's gonna be, which in turn will turn the motor up way. So we're gonna, once we get the motor and everything mounted, because right now if you look at these motor mounts, we want this motor mount right about here. So these motor mounts are about 1 inch too far back, maybe a little bit more, but I mean, yeah, we getting there. I'm super happy. I mean, it's a long time coming for me. I mean, man, it seems like it's been taking forever just to get to the mock-up stage. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull it back out. We're actually gonna pull it back out. That transmission is gonna go to Matt over at Allstate Transmission, who is the same person that's helping Rail build his Donk. So he's gonna do it. He's actually known for racing transmissions. I reached out to Rail, chopped up with him about it. He was like, yeah, that's the man to build your trans. So he's gonna go, I'm probably just gonna go stage 2 on that transmission. Nothing too crazy so I can still drive it around, but I'll still have some power and be able to turn and burn, you know, when it's time to get busy. So this is where we at right now, man, the mock-up stage. I'm super excited, man. I'm so excited because there's still stuff I gotta buy. This is just a long time coming just to get here. So still gotta buy a water pump, still gotta figure out if I'm gonna put the alternator here, where I'm gonna put my power steering pump. Just a lot of things, man. I'm going with an ATI harmonic balancer, so that should be here any day now. And we're waiting on headers. That's really why this motor's just sitting like this, because if the headers were here, we'd already had the headers on and went ahead and pulled the motor back out so we can get this transmission built. And then as soon as I get the headers, we'll pull the motor out and the firewall's gonna get painted. So the next time y'all, hopefully the next time y'all see this, one of the next times, I may shoot a video where I get the headers, just to show the headers, because it's not, these aren't gonna be long videos. I may shoot a video where I get the headers just to get that. But one of the next 3 times y'all see this car, this firewall will be painted. See, all this is coming out, so that's why I just had them go on spray over. It doesn't matter, I'm taking that out. But, I mean, we're getting closer and closer and closer, guys. I mean, oil pan, everything's on. This motor is totally complete, ready to lock down. The only thing I haven't installed on this motor yet is the valley cover. The valley cover's at my house, and we leaving this on because this is how you, this bar is, oh sorry, I can't get it up, pause. But this bar is how you actually mount, pull this motor in and out. So it's a plate that has a little circle on it so you can pick up the motor and stuff. But man, we getting there. We getting there. This motor is gonna come forward. Like I said, it's gonna come forward a little bit. So there will be a little bit more space between the firewall and the motor, but it's right there. It's like I said, it's a little high, but we'll see. I'm gonna step back from it, get y'all a good picture from back here. Let y'all see it. So I mean, it's high right now. It looks very high because that supercharger makes this thing look huge. If the supercharger's not on there, you can imagine the motor's just right here. And that's not really too high, so. But with that, man, it's right there. It's gonna be right under the hood. We're gonna figure out exactly what we're gonna do with the hood. I got a couple ideas. Might go with a bubble glass, like how you see some of the Trackhawk hoods and the 300 hood that's on like CJ's car. On that 300 he has that bubble plexiglass in the hood, and that looks cool. So, I mean, I might do something like that. I'll probably keep it classic, maybe some. It just depends on what we do. We'll get everything mocked up, and then y'all see it. Y'all gonna see me build it, so y'all will get to see everything, man. But, man, I just wanted to show y'all this, man. I'm so happy just to be here right now. This is so important to me. So, man, if you rocking with me and you like this build, you into this type of thing, man. Man, so the headers came in today. Let's get it. We got everything mocked up. So it's Friday. I'm gonna be painting this firewall next week. So we good to go. Headers in, man, these things look good. They look perfect, man. Got plenty of room. I'll drop the number for the headers. Got these off eBay. 1/7/8, 3-inch collector down there. Yes, sir, we are good to go. Plenty of clearance in this car. Man, this thing looks crazy. Crazy, yes, sir, let's get it. I'm excited, man. I'm so happy. I'm gonna get these headers Cerakoted, I think, so they won't look like this, but I just wanted to add this to the video before I dropped it. Got the headers in, we are ready to go. So we're gonna get this painted next week. All up in there gonna be painted, let's get it. Yes, sir, let's go. Carbane TV, man, let's get it. Please just go do what I said and subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, smash that bell for all post notifications, and show your boy some love, man. Leave me a comment, tell me what you think about it. You like it, cool. Leave a good comment. You don't like it, say, man, I don't mess with that you know what I'm saying? I don't mess with Mopars on Chevy motors and Oldsmobiles. I'm fine with whatever you say. I don't care. It don't matter to me. Just leave a comment. That helps me grow the channel, which keeps me building more stuff and keeps me having fun, which I'm gonna do anyway. But, you know, show your boy some love, man. Anyway, y'all know what it is. Carbane TV, I'm up out of here. Y'all know the slogan. I actually changed the slogan, so let's change it up. Rule number 1, get the money first. Rule number 2, don't forget rule number 1. Let's get it, man. Carbane TV. Yeah.